Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaliva. This is 12th standard Maths CBSE chapter 7 exercise 7.5 integrals. 6th sum. See here 1 minus x square I equal to, you can take it as I equal to 1 minus x square by, you can multiply x inside, x minus 2x square. The degrees, the powers are equal both numerator and denominator. If it is like this, you can do it in a partial method way. See here, you can take minus commonly out. So, x square minus 1 by here 2x square minus x into dx. Minus minus cancel. If it is like this, because the degrees are same, you can do it in a upper column by division. See, 2x square minus 1, 2x square minus x, 2x square minus x, you can do it in a division method, synthetic division method. X square minus 1 divided by 2x square minus x. First term by first term. We already done it in the 8th standard itself. See, first term by first term, that is x square by 2x square. What is the answer? 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2x square. 1 by 2 into 2x square. What is the answer? 2 get cancel. What is the remaining value? X square. Remaining value is x square. Then minus 1 by 2 x. Then minus 1 by 2 x. Subtract the values. Subtract the values. Minus plus x square get cancel. What is the final result? 1 by 2x. Then you can bring this minus 1 down. So this is quotient Q. This is R remainder and this is D. So you know very well Q plus R by D. If it is like this, x square minus 1 by 2x square minus x equal to Q plus R by D. Q plus R by D. What is Q value here? 1 by 2. Q value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus, what is the remainder? 1 by 2 x minus 1 by, what is the divisor? 2 x square minus x. 2x square minus x. I equal to integral dx. Now you split up the term. See here, I equal to integral 1 by 2 into dx plus integral 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2x square minus x into dx. You can take it as this as I1 and this one is I2. First you can take it as I1. I1 equal to integral 1 by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 is constant. You can take it out. 1 by 2 into integral dx. So, what is the value of integral dx? X. So, 1 by 2 into x plus, afterwards you will write, or otherwise you can write C1. C1 plus C2 is C. Next, what is the next one? I2. I2 equal to integral 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x square minus x into dx. You can take the LCM first. See, I2 equal to integral. You can take it as the LCM 2. So, x minus 2 by 2 divided by 2x square minus x into dx. So, what is the value? I2 equal to integral x minus 2 by 2 into 2x square minus x into dx. So, I2 equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2, I2 equal to 1 by 2 integral x minus 2 by 2x square minus x into dx. X minus 2x square minus x into dx. See here. So you can take it as this term alone by partial method. 1 by 2 into integral x minus 2 by x, you can take it as commonly out, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. See, the denominator degree is greater than the numerator. Now we can apply the partial fraction. So because this degree is greater than the numerator, so you can take this value alone, x minus 2 by x into x minus 2 by x into 2x minus 1 into minus 1. You can split the term equal to a by x plus b by 2x minus 1. a by x plus b by 2x minus 1. x minus 2 by x into 2x minus 1 equal to a into 2x minus 1 plus bx by x into 2x minus 1. So x 2x minus 1, x 2x minus 1 get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? What is the remaining value? See here. X minus 2 equal to a into 2x minus 1 plus bx. First, to make it as any one of the term as 0. See here, put x equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to a into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. A into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 plus b into 1 by 2 plus b into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 value is 0. So you can take the LCM. 1 minus 4 by 2 equal to a into 0 because 1 minus 1 value is 0 plus b into 1 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2 equal to b into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is the value of b? b equal to minus 3. The value of b equal to minus 3. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Minus 2 equal to a into 2 into 0 minus 1 plus b into 0. So, minus 2 equal to minus a. b into 0, 0. So, a equal to 2. So, a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3 in the given equation. What is the given equation? X minus 2 equal to a into 2x minus 1 plus bx. X minus 2 equal to what is the value of a? a is 2. 2x minus 1 plus what is the value of b? Minus 3. Minus 3x. Minus 3x. So, I2 equal to 1 by 2 into integral. 1 by 2 into integral x minus 2 by x into 2x minus 1 into dx. 2x minus 1 into dx equal to 1 by 2 into integral. See here, 2 into 2x minus 1. 2 into 2x minus 1 minus 3x by x into 2x minus 1 into dx. 2x minus 1 into dx. Now we split the terms. See, I2 equal to, you separate the values, 1 by 2 into integral 2 into 2x minus 1 by x into 2x minus 1 into dx. Next, minus 1 by 2 into or plus 1 by 2 into minus 3x by x into 2x minus 1 into dx. So here 2x minus 1 get cancelled. See, 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? Integral dx by x minus 3 by 2, you can take it out, minus 3 by 2, x get cancelled, integral 1 by 2x minus 1 into dx. See here, see, you can take this term alone, you can take it as 2x minus 1 equal to t, 2x minus 1 equal to t, 2 into 1, because differentiation of 1 is what? Differentiation of x is what? 1 equal to, because minus 1 is 0, equal to dt by dx, 2 equal to dt by dx, 2 into dx equal to dt, 2 into dx equal to dt, but here dx only is there, dx equal to 1 by 2 dt, dx equal to 1 by 2 dt, you can substitute everything here. See, integral dx by x minus 3 by 2 into integral, only dx is nothing but what? 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 dt, dx is 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 dt by 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is t, or otherwise, see, what is the differentiation of 2x? 2. What is the differentiation of minus 1? 0. But in the numerator 2 is missing. So, you can multiply and divide by 2. That method also you can do. Okay, you can choose, either you can choose this method or you can do it straight away. See here, my differentiation of 2x is 2 and 1 is 0. But in the numerator 2 is missing. So, you can multiply and divide by 2. See, integral dx by x minus 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 4, integral dt by t, integral dt by t. So, I2 equal to log of mod x, integral dx by x is log of mod x minus 3 by 4 into log of mod t plus C2. Okay, you can change the value. I2 equal to log of mod x minus 3 by 4, what we kept for t value equal to 2x minus 1, t value equal to 2x minus 1 plus C2. I equal to I1 plus I2. So, I equal to, what is I1? I1 is 1 by 2 x. Okay. What is I2? Plus log of mod x minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 log of mod 2x minus 1. Then C1 plus C2 you can take it as C. C1 plus C2 you can take it as C. So, what is the value of I equal to 1 by 2x plus log of mod x minus 3 by 4 log of modulus of 2x minus 1. C1 plus C2 equal to C. See here, I equal to integral x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into dx. See the degree of the denominator cube, Degree of the numerator is 1. See the power of the x. Here 1, here 3. So the compared to the numerator, the degree is greater than the denominator. So we can apply the partial fraction. So you can take this term alone. X by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b by, because it is x square plus 1. So ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus c by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1. So x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to ax plus b into x minus 1 cross multiplication plus c into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1. Cancel the term. What is the remaining term left out here? See, x equal to ax plus b into x minus 1, ax plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. 1 equal to, put x equal to 1. 1 equal to a into 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, because we make it as one term as 0. C into 1 square plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into any number? 0. So 1 equal to c into 2. So what is the value of c? C equal to 1 by 2. The value of c is 1 by 2. Take the coefficient of x square on the both sides. Take the coefficient of x square on both sides. Coefficient of x square on both sides. What is the value we are getting? 0 equal to ax square. Ax square, you can take the coefficient alone. A plus c. A plus c. A plus c. 0 equal to, what is the value of c? 1 by 2. A plus 1 by 2. A plus 1 by 2. See, a equal to minus 1 by 2. A equal to minus 1 by 2. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. 0 equal to a into 0 plus b. A into 0 plus b. 0 minus 1 plus c into 0 square plus 1. C into 0 square plus 1. 0 equal to b into minus 1. B into minus 1. 0 equal to b into minus 1 plus 1. B into minus 1 plus c into 0 plus c here, c into 0 square plus 1 plus c. Listen, 0 equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 minus 1, c into 0 square plus 1. So b equal to b into minus 1, b into minus 1, then c into 1. So 0 equal to minus b plus c. Minus b plus c. So 0 equal to minus b plus 1 by 2. Minus b plus 1 by 2. So you can bring it to this side. Minus 1 by 2 equal to minus b. B equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 2, x equal to ax plus b. A value is minus 1 by 2x plus b value is 1 by 2. B value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x minus 1. 1 by 2 into x minus 1 plus what is the value of c? C is also what? 1 by 2 into x square plus 1. C into x square plus 1. See, I equal to integral, what is the value of x? X equal to minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by whole divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into dx. See, what is the value of x? We got it minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x minus 1. Now you separate the values. See here, it gives I equal to integral minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by x square plus 1 into x minus 1, x square plus 1 into x minus 1 plus integral 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 into dx 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into dx, x minus 1 into dx. Now you cancel the term x minus 1 here. See, x square plus 1 x square plus 1 x square plus 1. So what is the final thing? I equal to integral minus 1 by 2 x by, again you split the two terms, minus 1 by 2 x by x square plus 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by 2 dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by 2 by x minus 1 into dx, x minus 1 into dx. So I equal to minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into integral dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into integral dx by x minus 1. See here, minus 1 by 2 into integral. What is the integration of? So what is the differentiation of 2x? X square 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 1 is 0. So but here 2 is missing. Differentiation of x square is 2x, 1 is 0. Anyway, x in the denominator, but 2 is missing. So you will multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Integral x dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral dx by x minus 1. See here, minus integral 2x dx minus 1 by 4. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 by 4 2x dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral dx by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integral dx by x minus 1. See the final step, minus 1 by 4. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. 1 is 0. When you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator log of the denominator. 1 by 4 log of modulus of x square plus 1. The same way, plus 1 by 2 into a square plus x square or x square plus a square. Integrate dx by tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a value is 1. Tan inverse of x by a plus 1 by 2 into, what is the differentiation of x? 1. Differentiation of x is 1. 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x minus 1 plus c. So, minus 1 by 4 log of modulus of x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a value is 1 plus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus 1 plus c. I hope you enjoyed, children. Thank you.